Welcome back to the course. At this point, I believe you are ready for production. When I say ready, I mean you have your lights set up, they are on their places, you have your wardrobe ready, background or interior is ready, scripts are complete and ready, your camera is set on a tripod. We're all set and ready for recording, or not. In this video you will find out what else is necessary for you to be ready so that you can hit the record button. And I'm going to share with you my workflow and some topics I will cover in different videos separately. Even though you have your stage ready, there is a process you need to follow to make this production phase effective. You need to know what goes afterward, and that's why I will share with you my workflow so that you can start from it, and then with time you will figure out your own workflow. By workflow I mean what do I do first, second, third, and what you shouldn't forget. So here is the step-by-step process. So first of all, I prepare my setup, which means that if I have a dynamic setup, for example, my lights sometimes are going right and left because I need some things in the room, so I need to ensure that everything is on its place and ready to go. I have my PC in front of me, I have my water in front of me. By the way, my water is sometimes in the glass and sometimes in the bottle. Why? Because when you have so many electrical equipment, you might want to have bottled water. So I have my table, I have my seat, background, and everything is ready to go. Then, of course, I change my clothes. So if I have few sets of clothes for the record, then I will have them hanging somewhere around so that it doesn't take a lot of time to change them. I get my hair and makeup done, and hair, of course, is for everyone, but for men, sometimes men want to skip the question of the makeup, but I don't advise you to do so. So watch all the video. You will find out some secrets about your spouses or ladies, but also you will know what you need to do because men also might need makeup. Okay, maybe not makeup, but at least face care routine. So further in this video I will give some recommendations both for men and women. So when my makeup is ready, I am all dressed up, everything is ready, I need to ensure I turn on the lights. I turn the lights everywhere, then I turn on my microphone and connect to camera or where device that I'm recording. So I'm recording separately on the phone, and then I combine them because I'm recording on the DSLR camera, and it doesn't have this 3.5mm jack so that I can connect my microphone. So that is why I'm recording separately. In your case, if you are recording on your mobile phone, you will just plug the microphone in your phone and connect everything. And then the phone itself has to be set on the tripod, so you are recording on the back camera on the phone. So not here, you're not recording with this camera, you are recording with this camera. So you set up your phone. It depends on your phone whether you need to record with your phone like that or with your phone like that, because even though you record the vertical videos, if your phone has a very good resolution and you can record in 4K, it's better to you set the phone like that, and then during the editing you will just make the vertical video out of it. Then you need to turn on camera and test so that you know whether you need to adjust the lights or not. What do you need to test? You need to change settings first of all of your camera. I will discuss with you settings of the camera in the separate video, but for you to know that even though you will have stable settings, there should be some changes depending on the time of the day you are recording. So if you are recording in the daytime, I have curtains closed, but at the same time the curtains are not turning off the sunlight. It passes through a bit, it lights the room, it gives the color to my face. So I need to adjust the white balance of my camera. So just have it in your mind that this is the process. So you turn on your camera, you turn on the lights, you do a test recording. And you check if you need to adjust the settings of your camera after the test recording. Usually it is done once before you record the series of videos. And For me, in my camera, I know the settings for day, the settings for evening that I'm doing, and sometimes I don't even adjust because my camera is very good and I think it does its job. But with the mobile phone, if you're recording on the mobile phone, you will have to adjust. So next thing, that when you test it, you hit the record button and start recording. You will record 3-5 reels, then you make a break, you stop, you turn off the camera, you stop recording, and that's the production process. After the break, you continue doing the same. You go back, you record 3-5 reels again, and you can even record 2 or 3 series together if you want, if you have such energy, and with time you will have the experience to do so. But also we said that you have to switch your top closes so that you don't record too many reels with the same closes, so also keep this in mind. I would say that the workflow would be the following. So you make your setup, change your clothes, makeup and hair, turn your lights, turn on your camera, connect your phone, test it, check out if everything is okay, play the video, see if everything is okay, make corrections if necessary, and otherwise, if everything is well, you just sit and hit the play button, sit and start recording. After recording, you go and turn off your camera so that it doesn't continue playing, and that's the end of this one process. You can follow it up with changing the clothes and repeating again. Remember that we don't take multiple takes, we do one take, and that's why you do a test. You do a test so that you ensure you look good the way you want to look, and what you say in the recording you will learn in the video where I cover the performance. So let me cover what are the following topics we will discuss in the next videos. We will talk about makeup. Ladies and gentlemen, don't skip this video. We will discuss camera settings, how do you should set up your camera and how do you adjust depending on the daytime or nighttime, and the final is performance, how do you behave in front of the camera. So see you in the next video.